and before 11th some statement is given. Monisha? No Monisha. Adil Khan, will you? Adil? Are you active? Are you listening me? As you can see, students, in your textbooks, the question is that for each of the Nutan, can you read this statement?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For each of the differential equation in exercise from 11 to 15,
Yes.
find the particular solution satisfying the given condition.
Yes. So what is that first question? 11th question?
X plus y dy
Hmm.
plus x minus y dx equals to 0.
Okay.
At y is equals to 1 when x
uh,
equal to 1.
y equals to 1 and x equals to 1.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
Nutan, can you tell that ये information मुझे किस लिए given है? इसका क्या use करूंगा मैं? Can you tell?
सर c निकालने के लिए.
Yes. In the last, after getting the general solution as we have obtained in the previous question, we will use these values to get the value of c, and again we'll put there, and that will be called as particular solution. So those who missed the last class, for them this is a homogeneous differential equation. Dy upon dx equal to fxy is HDE, homogeneous differential equation, if f of xy is a homogeneous function. Right, homogeneous function proof करने का एक certain method है. Now to solve, what we do, we make substitution. We substitute what? Y equals to Vx, and hence dy upon dx also will get changed. So dy upon dx will become v into x derivative 1 plus x as it is dv upon dx. These two things we substitute, right? So let us begin. So what should be the first task in this question? As usual, the first task is to bring our equation in which form? In this form, dy upon dx equal to fxy. So let us bring in this form. It will become dy upon dx equal to how much? Let me first shift one term on the other side. X plus y dy equal to minus x minus y dx, and this will become dy upon dx equal to minus x minus y, or minus if I mix inside, y minus x whole upon y plus x. This is the equation. This is HDE. In these questions, they are not asking us to prove, right? If you see the question, they are asking only to solve. So we can directly solve, right? In previous questions up to 10th, they were asking us to prove also that this is HDE, homogeneous differential equation. But so we need not to prove it, but we can see that this is HDE because degree of every term in numerator is 1, and degree of every term in denominator is also 1. So this is certainly homogeneous. Now to solve, substitute putting y equal to Vx and dy upon dx equal to v plus x dv upon dx. Right? Students, it will not be a one-sided class. I'll ask you, so remain active, right, students? So I request all to be ready to answer my questions. I'll ask you people. So if I make the substitution here, it will become v plus x dv upon dx. And here if I put, in place of y, if I put vx, right? So this x can be taken common and can be removed. This will become v minus upon 1 upon v plus 1. And this v we can shift on the other side. X dv upon dx equal to this v minus 1 upon v plus 1 minus v. This v we have shifted on the other side. Students, as usual, I request you again in this class also that do not simply watch, my dears. Take notebook and textbook and keep writing, keep solving with me. That is the most important thing in online class, especially in mathematics. If you watch simply, you'll feel bored and you won't get anything. And if you solve in your notebook within 1 hour, at least 5 questions you will be able to solve in your notebook, right, my dears? So please follow my words exactly what I am saying. Now let us simplify. Shall we take LCM? Let us take LCM. And if I take LCM, this will become x dv upon dx equal to v minus 1 upon v plus 1 v minus 1 minus v square minus v whole upon v plus 1. V get cancelled and minus can be taken common. Students, now as we have done in previous questions, that after this step we try to separate the variable. We try to separate the variable. So if we separate the variable, Abhishek, Meena, can you tell me, if I detach the variables, what line I should write? Abhishek, Meena. Abhishek or Aditi or Adil Khan. Any one of these three people tell me. Adil, can you tell that what should I write? Students? Adil Khan, are you able to hear me? No response from them. My dears, please be active on your part. If I separate the variable, somebody from A section, Lakshita, can you tell what should I write? From A section, Lakshita Manocha, will you tell me what should I write? Yes. Yes. If I separate the variables, what should I write? No response. No, this is not good. Yes. This is what I am saying, my dears. When I am asking you, be active and energetic. If a 12th class student is not active and energetic, then who else in the world can be, my dears? Yes, Lakshita. मुझे इन वेरिएबल्स को सेपरेट करना है, क्या लाइन लिखनी चाहिए? कैन यू टेल मी? फिर से? लक्षिता मनोज, पहले मुझे सेपरेट करने वेरिएबल्स, इसको डीवी के साथ पहुंचाना है, समझी? V term is to be kept with dv. समझी? लक्षिता बोलो yes, no. Then what should I write? अंजलि शर्मा. मुझे क्या लिखना चाहिए नेक्स्ट लाइन? कैन यू टेल? One minute. V plus 1 upon V square plus 1 into dv equals to minus dx upon it. My dears, asking this step is a simple example that people on the listening part are dull. They are passive listeners. So if you are not active in your home and you are not actively responding, it means that इस स्टेप्स को फॉलो भी करिए. ये नहीं कि अपने, ये भी कोई केस हो सकता है कि सॉल्व करते हुए इतना बिजी है, खो गए कि यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी दिस स्टेप, और जब इसके बाद मैंने नेक्स्ट पूछा देन यू आर नॉट प्रॉपर्ली रिस्पॉन्डिंग. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल बी एक्टिव, है ना? मैं आपसे सवाल पूछूंगा, मुझे आंसर चाहिए. यस, गुड अंजलि, आगे बढ़ते हैं. इस पे इंटीग्रल साइन अटैच करते हैं. एंड हाउ टू इंटीग्रेट द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड? स्टूडेंट्स, एनीवन कैन स्विच ऑन द माइक एंड स्पीक, है ना? We have to make two terms in the left hand side to integrate it. So let us make two terms, v upon v square plus 1 dv plus integral 1 upon v square plus 1 dv is equal to minus log x, and let me do plus c also in one side, right? Then here v upon v square plus 1, you can create the derivative of denominator. 2v, you can make derivative of denominator will be 2v. So 2 can be multiplied here, half can be multiplied in the outside the integral, and now its integral will be log of denominator, half log of v square plus 1 plus how much is 1 upon v square plus 1 integral? Akriti, tan inverse v. Tan inverse v equal to minus log x plus c. Almost done. This v we have where we should put the value of v. How much will be the value of v? V will be equal to y upon x. Substitute. Half log y square upon x square plus 1 plus tan inverse y upon x equal to minus log x plus c, and this will become half log x square plus y square, right? And log a upon b is log a minus log b, that I can do, minus half log x square plus tan inverse y upon x equal to minus log plus c. Minus half log x square and minus log x are same thing, and here I get my final answer. My final answer is half log x square plus y square plus tan inverse y upon x equal to c. Just check the answer and tell me, is this right, students? Is this right? Tahek Surana, can you tell, is this right answer or not? हाँ, क्या चीज? C, अच्छा C के वैल्यू तो मैंने सब्स्टिट्यूट की ही नहीं. Now I am given that y equal to 1 and x equal to 1. Let us find out C. And then this will become half log 2, 1 plus 1, 2, plus tan inverse 1 equal to C. So C is half log 2 plus tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So my answer is, final particular solution is half log x square plus y square plus tan inverse y upon x equal to pi by 4 plus half log 2. Check the answer, students, and tell me, is this right? Students, tell. Correct? People are telling correct, sir. Oh, okay. Okay. So, my dear students, if you see v equal to y equal to vx and dy upon dx equal to v plus x dv upon dx. These substitutions are being used throughout the exercise. So we hope in the next question also the same thing should happen. Nandini Chaudhary, can you read the next question? Nandini. Nandini or Falguni, any one of these two. 12th question. Nandini Chaudhary or Falguni Parita, will you read any 12th question? No, no response. Inactive. Bad. Very bad it is. Sajbeen, will you?
Yes, sir.
12th question, am I right? Sajbeen.
Yes, sir. X
Yes.
square dy x
Yes.
square dy plus
Yes.
bracket
Hmm.
xy plus y square
Hmm.
bracket dx equal to 0
Hmm.
equal to 1 when x equal to 1. Y
Yeah.
equal to when x equals to 1.
Okay. Begin. Dy upon dx, let us find. So dy upon dx, shifting this term on the other side, will give me this value. Right? It is also homogeneous. Degree of each term in numerator is 2. Degree of each term in denominator is 2. It is homogeneous. Let us solve. Let us substitute, putting y equal to Vx and dy upon dx equal to v plus x dv upon dx. This is. So let us make the substitution. है ना, ये dy है. So this will become v plus x dv upon dx equal to minus x in place of y vx plus v square x square whole upon x square. X square common, है ना, x into x square common and cancelled, and it will remain v minus v, मैंने inside multiply करा दिया, minus v square. This is. And now let us try to separate the variables. X dv upon dx will become equal to this v will go on the other side, minus 2v minus v square. Okay, now let us separate the variables. Separate the variables means v term should be kept with dv. So let me keep this dv upon 2v plus v square and minus I am keeping here only equal to minus dx upon x. Integrate. What should be a way to integrate this, students? Any one of students of A section? What should be a way? Repeat. क्या? आई थिंक फर्स्ट आप कॉमन लेने की बात सोच रहे होगे, उसके बाद v कॉमन देन v प्लस 2, देन इसकी आप पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन के बारे में ट्राई बोल रहे हो आई थिंक. ओके, so one way is to make perfect square here, right? The other way is to take common like this. I think perfect square also easily I can do. वो कर लेते हैं perfect square. Partial fraction also we can do. Perfect square create करने के लिए v square plus 2v plus 1 minus 1 I would need, है ना? And then this will become whole square of, friends, how much? v plus 1 whole square minus 1 square equal to minus log x plus c. Then 1 upon x square minus a square. Manisha Virwal, can you tell me what is the formula of 1 upon x square minus a square integral? 1 upon x square minus a square integral formula. Anyone remembers? In A section. Exactly 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Yes. अगर आप ये फॉर्मूला भूल भी गए हैं तो भी, if you turn the page and see this formula and tell me, hardly 5 seconds it takes, right? This is, I'm saying that be active and energetic on your part. Yes, Hardik, he has written a chat message and he has written right formula. Correct. Let us apply here. Let us apply. So this, let us integrate this thing, let us integrate as per this formula. So this will become 1 upon 2a, a is 1, into log x minus a. My x is v plus 1. So v plus 1 minus 1 whole upon v plus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus log x plus c. So this has become 1 upon 2 log v की जगह पे मैं y upon x लिख रहा हूँ, 1 get cancelled. Minus log x plus c. One line more, उसके बाद मैं values put करूँगा. Yes, now it is given that x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 is a solution. So substituting. So half log 1 upon 1 plus 2 will be 3 equal to minus log 1 plus c. Log 1 आपको पता होना चाहिए, that is 0. Okay. So C equal to half log 1 upon 3. And put the value of C here again and declare it as final answer. Students, check the answer, please. My final answer is half log y upon y plus 2x equal to minus log x plus half log 1 upon 3. I can multiply with the 2 and this will become log y upon y plus 2x equal to minus 2 log x plus log 1 by 3. If you want to simplify more, you can merge these two logs. This is log x square and log y upon y plus 2x plus log x square equal to log 1 by 3. Log a plus log b is log ab. So log yx square upon y plus 2x equal to log 1 by 3. Remove the log, then 3yx square equal to y plus 2x. Check the answer, students, and tell me is this right or not. Students, correct hai? Exactly matching?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. So sometimes कुछ कैलकुलेशन एरर हो जाती है, तो हो सकता है आंसर ना मैच हो रहा हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. समटाइम्स उन्होंने थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाई करके दिया हो, वो सब भी मतलब हताश निराश नहीं होना है ना, होप्स नहीं खोना है. हो जाता है मैथ्स में कि मेरे आंसर गलत है या मैच नहीं किया, उसके लिए ये तो मैं कह रहा हूँ सभी स्टूडेंट्स से दैट energy is important. Yes. Many people are writing chat messages and I can see that they want to tell that they have done and they are energetic. Good. I'm happy. आगे बढ़ते हैं. I request Saurav Meena. Saurav, are you listening me? Will you read the next question? Probably 13th. Saurav, from B section.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Saurav, could you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
हाँ?
Yes, sir.
हाँ हाँ, धीरे धीरे समझ में आएगा, है ना. वो सभी स्टूडेंट जिनका पिछला क्लासेस थोड़ी सी इरेगुलर हो गई या थोड़ा सा छूट गया है, तो you will get it because in all the questions we are doing the same work. Yes, Saurabh. Next question, please read. 13th. 9.5 exercise, right?
सर एक मिनट, पता नहीं कुछ ग्लिच सा हो गया, एक मिनट.
Yes. Arpita Khilar, can you read question 13th?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So now I can read.
Okay, Saurabh. Yes, continue.
Sir, x sine square y upon x.
Okay.
X. No, sir. X sine square. X sine square y upon x.
Okay.
Minus y. Whole dx.
Okay. Next.
Plus x dy is equal to 0.
Equal to 0. Okay.
And y is equal to pi by 4 when x is equal to 2. X equal to 1.
X equal to 1. Check on
One,
the board
yeah.
I have written correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us begin. Let us solve. And to solve, I should bring the value of first dy upon dx. So what I am going to do, I am going to shift this term on the right hand side. So x sine square y upon x minus y into dx equals to minus x dy. So get the value of dy upon dx. Dx term you shift on the right side. Dy upon dx will become an x term you shift on the other side. X sine square y upon x minus y whole upon minus x. Minus also I brought with x. Okay. Now this is clearly a function of y upon x. If you simplify, this is minus sine square y upon x. Two terms I am making plus y upon x. It's purely a function of y upon x, hence homogeneous it is. Right. Begin. Y equal to Vx. Substituting y equal to Vx. In all the question of this exercise, we put y equal to Vx or maximum x equal to Vy in some questions. So y equal to Vx and dy upon dx equal to V plus x dv upon dx. Okay. So let us substitute. Dy upon dx will be removed, and in place of this, V plus x dv upon dx will come equals to minus sine square, and y upon x is nothing but V plus y upon x is nothing but V. And you can see that V alone is standing in both the sides, will get cancelled. And in the remaining terms, it is very easy to separate the variables. So let us separate the variables. Dv upon sine square V equal to minus dx upon x. Right? So easy to solve. 1 upon sine square V, how to integrate, students? 1 upon sine square V, how to integrate, students? Huh? क्या चीज? Cosec square V. Correct? Cosec square V dV. Then integral cosec square V is how much? Huh? Minus cot.
Minus cot x.
Yes, minus cot V. And that's it. We have integrated. But put the value of x. Let me first put the value of V. V was y upon x. And here I got the general solution. But C value also I have to calculate. So what the value of y and x is given? Y and x is given this, pi by 4. Y equals to pi by 4. So let us put putting y equals to pi by 4 and x equal to 1. This will become minus cot pi by 4 upon 1 equals to minus log 1 plus c. Cot pi by 4 is also 1. Log 1 is 0. So c equal to minus 1. Again you substitute there and declare it as your final answer. So be ready to check the answer. So this will become minus cot particular solution minus cot y upon x equal to minus log x minus 1. Minus common cancelled throughout, and it will become cot y upon x equal to log x plus 1. Students, please check the answer. And this itself is looking simplified. Correct? Siddhesh is saying correct. Right. Eh? क्या 1 को लिखा है log e. Okay, that also is the way. Log x, 1 can be written as log e. Log e is 1. Then these two can be merged. Then log ex it will become. No problem. This was also correct. This also correct. Okay, you try to match the answer exactly from the textbook. So this was Ritu Sharma from A section. Will you read the next question? 14th perhaps. Ritu. Ritu, are you following this? Are you getting these things? Okay. 14th question. Minus y by x. Plus cos x. Check. I have written correct on the board. Check.
सर cos x y by x है.
Cosec y by x है. Now is it right?
Yes, sir.
Cosec y by x, is it right? Okay, now let us start solving it. First of all, in each and every question, I want dy upon dx in one side, rest of the things on the other side. तो मैं यहाँ पे dy upon dx निकालने जा रहा हूँ. dy upon dx, very easy to find. Just shift these two terms on the right hand side, equal to y upon x minus cosec y upon x. This is. Now, this is purely a function of y upon x, so it is homogeneous differential equation. उसका method apply करेंगे. Substituting y equals to vx. In all the questions of this exercise, method to solve is putting y equal to vx and dy upon dx equal to v plus x dv upon dx. Substitute. So dy upon dx will be disappeared, and in place of this, v plus x dv upon dx will come, equal to y upon x. From here it is v minus cosec y upon x is v. You can see that v get cancelled from both the sides. Now detach the variables. Cosec v, bring in this side. So dv upon cosec v equal to minus dx upon x. Attach integral sign on both the sides and integrate. Cosec v, you can see it, obviously we will take in numerator, and it will become sine v. Okay, then sine v we will integrate. This will become sine v dv equal to minus log x plus c. Sine v integral is minus cos v. V value y upon x. General solution is ready. Now get the value of c. Putting, the value of x and y which is given in question, that let us substitute. Y equal to 0, x equal to 1. This will become cos 0 equal to minus log 1 plus c. Log 1 is 0, cos 0 is 1, so c equal to minus 1. Substitute again and declare the answer. Minus cos y upon x equal to minus log x minus 1. Minus common and cancel from both the sides, and cos y upon x equal to log x plus 1. This again, like previous question, if you want to solve, simplify. 1 you can write log e. Here also you can leave, but if you want, you can write. Check the answer, students, please. Correct. They have given this or simplified one more. कौन सा आंसर they have
Correct,
given?
sir.
ये वाला या ये वाला? हाँ? log ex.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो आप देख लीजिए और है ना, इसको सॉल्व कर लीजिए एंड प्लीज डू कंप्लीट. है ना, मैं बस इतना चाहता हूँ कि इस क्लास के बाद आप न केवल आपको पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के बाद, बट ऑल्सो यू शुड सॉल्व मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज. एटलीस्ट जो मैंने सॉल्व किया वो तो आपकी नोटबुक में सॉल्व हो ही जाने चाहिए. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. लेट अस डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Aman Hussain, will you read the next question? Next question is 15th. Aman Hussain, active? Aman Hussain, Ketan Verma, or Akriti? Any one of these three people? Aman. 15th, yes. Can you repeat? Minus 2x square. Huh. Okay. Equal to 0. Check. I have written correct. What I have written on
Y equal to 2.
Now check. I've written correct. Correct. Let us solve it. First of all, get the value of dy upon dx explicitly. So 2xy plus y square equal to 2x square dy by dx. 2x square bring in this side. So dy upon dx equal to 2xy plus y square whole upon 2x square. Degree of each term in numerator, 2 degree, 2 degree, 2 degree. It is homogeneous differential equation. So let us now solve it by putting y equal to vx. Let y equal to vx and dy upon dx equal to v plus x dv upon dx. Right? This will become now v plus x dv upon dx equal to 2x into vx plus v square x square upon 2x square. Right? Let us solve it. In the right hand side, x square common and removed. So v plus x dv upon dx equals to 2v plus v square whole upon 2. Correct? X square removed. Shifting v on the right hand side, x dv upon dx equals to 2v plus v square whole upon 2 minus v. Let us take LCM, and you can see the 2v will also get cancelled if you take LCM. Simple it is. Now, separation of variables is very easy. So separate the variables. And integrate. X to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 will be applied. I request students to keep checking. Minus 1 upon v. V value was y upon x. And now to get the value of c by using this given information. So using them, minus 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2 log x value is 1 plus c. Log 1 is 0, so c equals to half. And my answer becomes minus x upon y equal to half log x plus half. Multiply 2 throughout, and this will become minus 2x upon y equal to log x plus 1. Check the answer. Is this the final answer, or they have simplified it further? Students, please check. Is this the answer? Students, tell me, is this right or not? Exactly matching, or final answer is something else? How to simplify? 1 I should write log e. Is it? Okay. Y का value निकालना होगा. Y will be minus 2x equal to y into log x plus 1. So maximum y का value निकाला होगा मेरे ख्याल से. So y equals to minus 2x upon log x plus 1. Is this? Friends, is this the answer?
Y equals to 2x upon 1 minus log x.
Upon 1 minus log x.
माइनस कॉमन ले लिया.
हाँ, मैंने कोई गलती की है? प्लीज चेक.
माइनस कॉमन ले लिया सर नीचे सर.
नहीं, ये मेरा आंसर सही है गलत है, ये मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ. Check the answer, students.
Sir, C is minus 1 by 2.
C is, I'm sorry, minus half. Yes, C is minus half. C is minus half means minus से multiply करेंगे throughout, then uh, then log x minus 1. Yes, now minus you can bring down and it will become 2x upon 1 minus log x. Is this the answer, students? I hope
Yes, sir.
this should be the answer. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here I conclude my today's class. Some more questions are remaining in this exercise. Right now the time is 8:50. Let me see. Question number 16th is remaining, and question number 17th is remaining. Very quickly, let us please see in your notebooks and answer. Please see in your textbooks and answer 16th question. A homogeneous differential equation dx upon dy equal to h of x upon y can be solved by making the substitution. What substitution should I make? Dx upon dy, x equal to vy. Right? You can see 16th question in your textbooks, please. That because x upon y, it is there. H of x upon y. So x equal to vy will be the easiest method. 17th question is also similar. Which of the following is a homogeneous differential equation? Tell me, is A part homogeneous? No, A part is not homogeneous because 5 is having no degree, 0 degree, right? 4 having 0 degree. B part, is this homogeneous? No,
Not
No,
homogeneous.
sir.
क्योंकि एक्स वाई का डिग्री 2 है और एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब वहां पे हर टर्म का डिग्री 3 है, तो ये होमोजेनियस नहीं है, है ना. ऑफ कोर्स हम पहले इसको dy अपॉन dx इक्वल टू समथिंग की फॉर्म में लेके आएंगे. सी पार्ट आल्सो यू कैन सी एक्स क्यूब इज देयर एंड वाई स्क्वायर इज देयर, सो obviously that is also not homogeneous. I think D part is
sir.
homogeneous, right, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, yes. So here we conclude our today's class. Thank you for attending this. Yes, and as far as attendance part is concerned, I have created a post in stream button for A and C section. Mark your attendance there right now if you missed, not afterwards. And B section people, ending this class for A and C people. B section students, if at all anybody is left from marking the attendance, can tell me.